You are watching T to the M to the IDD.
The adventure for today, I'm actually in Vegas because I have to figure out the logistics for my 2024 WPPI photo walk event. So we are taking it to a special place. I'm not going to show y'all yet. I'm not going to show y'all just yet, but let's see if y'all can get the gist of it. All right. We got this for a reason. All right. Well, it's about to go down. We good. Promised land though, baby. We made it to the sand dunes. Now, it is an adventure, to say the least, but it is a beautiful sight. Take a look. Enjoy me on my WPPI 2024 Desert Sunset Photo Walk. Let's see what we have here. What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? Let's get these settings right. Okay, there we go. Now let's make sure you all can see me. There we go. Great time, blue hour here at the sand dune. This is why it's important to do your scouting. Because found out a lot of information to be able to make this photo walk happen. It's going to be an epic one. It's going to be a great one. Definitely look forward to seeing you all there. I'm going to have fun, have a good time. Vegas 2024 T-Mid Sand Dunes.
ladies and gentlemen. T to the M to the I, D, D. We are outside in Vegas, and ironically it decides to get really chilly, okay? But we are going to get some great shots nevertheless. Night photo shoot with T-Mid. We have the lovely model. And what is your IG?
TS is at Davis. Super long to spell out, but
okay, yeah. I will
type in LTIAH, it'll pop up.
Okay, I'll put that in the bottom left-hand corner as well. So, are you ready?
Ready.
You sure?
Yeah.
Let's do it. Okay. All right. I'm gonna do a test shot. All right, 1, 2, 3. I like that lean. Yeah. And then what I want you to do is even exaggerate it more. Yeah. Oh my goodness. Oh, it's my lucky today today. Yes. All right. Here we go. 1, 2. Perfect. Yep, that's it right there. 1, 2. All right, that right arm, yeah. See if you can put it, maybe. Yeah, let's show it, okay? 1, 2. Perfect. I like that. 1, 2. Let's see. Let me bring this power down a little bit. All right, 1, 2. So I'm gonna have you stand right here, because I'm just gonna get, this in the back right there. So you can give me, full body, you can give me a cross. Yeah, and I like that up there. Yes. 1, 2. All right, let me check that. Yep, should be. Turn the other way, that same pose, but let's switch, yeah. Boom. There we go. And then get that hair over your shoulder, yeah. Boom. There we go. 1, 2.
Had a feeling we had something. Could have seen it in your eyes. Took a second, but I'm right here, waiting for you with open arms. How about you coming close?
All right, let's see. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. 1, 2, 3. Bring that hand in just a little bit. Yeah, that's it right there. 1, 2. Perfect. 1, 2. Boom. And one more. 1, 2. Yeah, so I was going with the 35 for most of the shoot because we wanted to be quick and efficient. So I knew that's my go-to all-around lens. But we want to get this last shot. We want to switch it out to the 85 because that 1.4 portrait king, okay? But it's going to give me some nice, beautiful orbs with these lights right here. Okay, so what I'm gonna have you do is I want you to actually give me a squat like that. Yep, that's it right there. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, perfect. Can you give me some with the hands on top of the head? Yes, I love that. 1, 2. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Okay. What is going on, guys? You just tuned in to T to the M to the IDD. And if you enjoy this content, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And if you really enjoy the content, check out some more of the videos that you see right here. Oh yeah, and hit that like button for me.